Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, and this is Rosa.
Hi there.
We thank you for coming. And this is our countertop coating kit that we're showing, and this happens to be the metallic countertop coating kit. It's a really, really good kit. And so I kind of want to show you what's in this kit. And so you open up the base coat, and so you've got 2 Part A's and 2 Part B's of activator and 2 metallics. And so if you're going to use all of it, then you want to blend. If you're going to use half of it, you want to blend this metallic pigment into the Part A. If you're going to use all of it at one time, you want to blend this into the second one, so that you mix this into Part A, this into Part A, and let it sit for 24 hours using a little stirring stick. So 24 hours later, you will be ready to apply. Okay, so we're going to put this off to the side for now, because what you're really dealing with now is the prime coat. And so when you open up this, you have 1 Part A here, 1 Part A here, 1 Part B here, and 1 Part B here. And so you want to, if you're going to use all of it, same thing applies. If you want to mix half, mix these 2 together. If you want to mix full, mix all 4 together. So we recommend putting the B in first, followed by the A. You want to make sure you scrape everything out of Part A and put it back into it. Do the same with this if you're doing a large enough area. This total will do 35 square feet total. So half of that, 17.5 square feet, will be for half of it. And mix it in this mixing bucket for 3 minutes. You're going to pour it out on the countertop, and you're going to squeegee it back, and you're going to back roll it so that it looks perfect. Now I'm going to show you a toolkit that you're going to want to use. Wait 1 day, come back the next day, 12 hours. Actually, you can, it's 75 degrees, 70 to 75 degrees. You can probably get by with 8 hours to recoat this. And so now it's 0 VOC, no odor. It's a very good, safe product. Now you're back. Remember when you blended your metallic pigment into your Part A? Well, now you're ready to use it. You're gonna remix it up, and it looks very cool. It's a great color. And you're going to pour Part B into the bucket, Part A into the bucket, just like this. Mix it for 3 minutes. You're going to pour it out on the counter, and you're going to squeegee it back and back roll it. And so that's the simplest way to get a metallic looking countertop. I'm going to go into the kit option here in a second. If you want to get into custom streaks, that's another video, but I will kind of illustrate a few of those things right now. Remember when you put this metallic colorant into Part A, if you were to take some of this Part A, small amount, 2.3 parts of A to 1 part of B is the mixing ratio by volume. If you were to take some of this Part A and set it off to the side, you could add a different color of metallic, small amount, if you wanted an accent color. And you could do the exact same thing. And what you do is, once you mix these up with the original base color, you're going to have a base color, but you're going to have a little bit of Part A. Remember, you took a little bit and you added a different color metallic to it. You waited 24 hours. You activate that small amount with this, 2.3 parts of A to 1 part of B by volume. Mix it up, and you can put it into like a ketchup bottle, and you can streak it over, and it'll flow out and look really cool. And that's a great way to do accent colors. So that's really how you're doing it. Let it set for 24 hours and go ahead and use your countertop. It's a fantastic. The one thing you want to remember with countertops, the only variable with countertops is they can bubble in certain instances. And so what we recommend when it bubbles is you can use a blow dryer to blow the bubbles out, or one thing I kind of like is the little heat torches, and you just fire up the heat torch and you just wave it over like this. Let's say this is you're just gonna wave the flame like this, it'll pop all the bubbles. And what you do is if it bubbles once, you keep checking on it every 30 minutes. If there's any bubbles, wave it over until it gets a good cure on the top of it. Once it does, you're good to go. And especially the torch, this is something that really works great. And then you'll have a nice, smooth, heavy-duty, beautiful looking countertop for a fraction of what it would cost for you to replace it with something,
Now, Craig, how long is the drying time?
So I recommend 24 hours, but it will be dry in 12 hours. You'll think we recommend 24 hours. Yeah.
Now we have our optional, but we strongly recommend it. It's so simple, just get it all in one order. We have the toolkit.
Oh, okay. So, yep, the toolkit, and it's a simple kit, right? The goal for us to develop these products is to make it simple for the user as much as possible. So you need sundry items, and what we try to do is give you everything you need within reason. There are a few things we don't give you because it's not reasonable to give them to you, and I will talk about that in a second. But thank you. So inside this kit is what you need to create a great countertop. It starts with a sanding pad. Sanding pad you want to go over if you've got Formica or something like that, wood. You want to scuff it with this, and then you wipe it off with a rag so it's nice and clean and profiled with this. Here's your mixing wand, reusable. Put it in your drill. Drill is not included, but you need a drill to be able to mix with. Then you have your squeegee. The squeegee is used for spreading the material out evenly. Clean it, reusable. You've got brushes for the sides or any corners that you want. It's actually really easy to use because it's pretty thick and it self-levels, so it's really pretty easy to use. You've got your rubber gloves so you don't get anything out. You've got your mixing wands so that you can scrape any material out, so you're getting everything that you can out of it. And then in this case, you're going to need a 4-inch roller assembly that goes into this roller cover so you can roll it out. Other than that, I would get one of those little torches. That torch lighter, pretty simple to use, not hard. And so this is everything you're going to need. Anything that you want?
No,
okay.
That's pretty much.
So yeah, you'll love this coating system. It looks beautiful. You can make it really mosaic. Remember when I talked about the custom color and using like a ketchup thing? You can do multiple colors like that and multiple things. You can even add flake chips to it, which sounds weird, but they got really cool. We sell some really cool flake chips like gold leaf and bronze leaf or silver leaf flake chips. So you can do a lot of things that you can't get out of a natural Corian countertop or granite or anything like that. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and for me, Craig Jones and Rosa,
thank you.
We appreciate you coming to Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat. For 40 years of business, we've been giving you the best products, and we continue to do that. And we hope you look at our website for different future products and services that we offer.